What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Tonight by Lil-Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll chop your feet off and force you to walk the plank. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning, and as always, if you need the guitar tab, it will be in the video description, as well as the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So if you want either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. We're starting with our middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string, and you're going to be picking D, B, E. Then you're gonna go to the 3rd fret on the A string, 6 on B, 5 on B. I'm doing index on A, pinky on 6 on B, ring finger on 5 on B. So then you're gonna bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, and you're gonna pick the low E, put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G, pick E, G, B, and then slide that formation down to the 3rd fret, so it's barring the 3rd fret with your ring finger on the 5th fret of the G, and you're going to pick E, E, G, B, the same as, so all together it looks like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.